Hey guys, I'm changing out my rear differential fluid. It takes, I believe, 1 liter, which is just a little bit like 1.057 quarts. So what I've done is I bought this Valvoline 75 weight 90 full synthetic. What I've read is our base model Porsches need the API GL5 or GL4, which is on the reading through here as well. I have put in the, I really like these newer type Valvoline where you squeeze it in. And so what I did is I squeezed in the one size, which was just 1 quart, and then basically close to it, 5 milliliters times 10 squirted in to make it close to, give or take, I squirted in a little bit more to get the about the amount I wanted. I wish it was kind of like the transfer case, you just filled it up, and then when it was right level, it would stop dripping. This one's a little bit different. What I would like to add is when removing these bolts, or excuse me, let me see here, we got 2, right? In the different position here. Yeah, so you've got the top one and then the bottom one. Always want to remove your filling plug first and then work your way here. It's an 8 millimeter, and the arrangement I used was I used this area right here. Let's see here. The filling one's really close to this area here, so I used an 8 millimeter Allen wrench and then just stuck this in the end of the Allen wrench, kind of like, let me see here, kind of like that. Made an extension for make it torque. Give me some extra torque to open it up. And then this for the bottom one, just use the standard 8 millimeter insert with ratcheting wrench. So I plan to do the back as well, or excuse me, the front as well. All right, I'm doing the front diff. Wanted to, so obviously you would remove the belly pan, and that's front diff. And always you want to remove the fill plug right over here. I think I got it right there. You want to remove that first, and then that's the drain plug. And there's a bunch of obstacles. Use an 8 millimeter wrench, Allen wrench, and then what I'd done is basically like I did the rear. I put it in there and basically created a torque and removed it. A lot easier. I know some other people have used special tools. Anyways, I poured it into, or dripped in a drip pan. I can see glitter in here. Hopefully that's, no, they've been having trouble with front diffs. And I also know that you don't fill this one the same as you do any of the other ones. Of course not. You fill it in a different measurements. So I poured it into this one. Let's see what we got here. Looks like we're about at the point. Pretty close. Stole this from my wife's stash. What is that? Can't read it. 500? I wonder what is that, like a half a liter? And I think that's what it's supposed to have. Sweet. So I feel pretty good with that. Now I'm going to use 7590 gear oil, and I love these containers from Valvoline. So what I forgot to mention was basically I took out the amount that was not needed in this fill container, and so the difference I left in, which is the right amount, and I squeezed it in the transfer case, the front transfer case. So that's how I did it. I didn't mention it in one of my videos. I just thought I'd bring that up. As always, please subscribe.